Hey everyone, quick video today. I'm just going to explain two buttons in your car that you've probably seen lots of times and maybe you don't know exactly what they're for or when you should use them. The two buttons that I'm talking about are these two buttons right here. This one is when you're running your air conditioner or your heater, it will suck air from inside your car and just recirculate it. And this one brings in fresh air from the outside. When should you use each one? So in general, you want to be pulling air from outside of the car. Circumstances where you want to use this air recirculation is if you're driving in heavy traffic, bumper to bumper, you don't want to bring in that exhaust from the outside vehicles. If you're driving in a dusty area or in extreme weather. So if you're in a super hot or super cold environment, then you'd want to have this recirc one on just so you're not pulling that super hot or super cold air into your vehicle. In general, you should, whenever you're running your air conditioner, you should always pull in the fresh air. The AC works by removing heat and moisture from the air, and it's easier to do this when you have fresh air than your recirc button on. Also, if you drive with your recirc button on for too long, then you can get stuffy air inside the car because it's not being replaced with any fresh air. Also, if you have the air conditioner on, it can exacerbate the problem because the moisture from your breath and your body can't escape, making the air inside even more humid. Now you know a little bit more about these two buttons right here. Thanks for watching.